In this video, I will show you step by step how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see over here, I made $235,150 in commission just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic, and I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. So you just need to copy and paste my method and you will start making some commission like this. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $10,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and they will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Fiverr, okay. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay. It's super easy. So just scroll down, okay, like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote. They are really paying a good commission for those services and it's really profitable. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. Anyone can sign up. It will take just few minutes. Okay. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay. What you need to do next is you just need to go to Google again. Okay. And you need to search for Pinterest. Okay. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, it's really super easy, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. It's super easy. So why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, it's really millions of people every single day are scrolling on Pinterest, searching for services, product, and so much more. Okay, and you can get so much traffic. Okay, so anyways, after you finish your Pinterest business account, go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, and click on the search and search for Pinterest. Search for services that are related to Pinterest. Okay, search for example for Pinterest marketing. Okay, like this. So people who are using Pinterest, people who has a business account and they want to grow their Pinterest account, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, because it's related to Pinterest, and you cannot promote any services. This is one of my profitable services. Okay, you need to choose specific services that people are searching for and that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so search for Pinterest marketing, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, So let's choose, let's see if we can find a good seller here. So we have, I will promote your product on my actor of Pinterest account. Okay, this one looking okay. We need Pinterest marketing, so like this one. Okay, this one I will manage and grow and boost your marketing as Pinterest queen. We set up Pinterest. This one also looking good. Okay, this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link. Okay, and what you need to do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here, put this seller profile link here, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture. Let me see if we can find a good one. Okay, I will copy this one. So upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it Pinterest, for example, ads. Okay, like this. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, like this. This is my picture. Open, and here you go. You need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So title, just go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Okay, like this. Go back to Pinterest and click over here and put this title over here. Okay, so description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. Okay, and you should see over here about this gig. Okay, copy this description like this. Okay, go to Pinterest, put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, it's the same. Go to Pinterest, scroll down, put your affiliate link here. Okay, click on choose a board. Okay, and click, if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, it's really super easy. So I already have a lot. I will choose, for example, this one. Scroll down, you need to put tags. Okay, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, and you should see a related tags. Okay, let me see, you should find the related tags, copy those keywords. Okay, copy those keywords like this, go to Pinterest. Those keywords are very important. Okay, and put those keywords here. Pinterest, I will choose this one, and so just put those keywords here. Okay, so after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, so that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. Is just in few minutes. It's super easy. Okay, and that's how we can choose specific and profitable services that will make you commission and you can earn a lot of money. Okay, use this method, search for services that are related to Pinterest, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.